So in this session, I will tell you how to test the power supply section. This is a custom project that we have. You might have your own. So let us see how to test the power supply section. This is the transformer you will be getting. This is a 500 milliampere transformer. You might also have 1 ampere transformer, which is a little bigger in size, but the terminologies will be same. That means this side will be the input side for the transformer that will be connected to the mains power supply. So let us start by connecting this 2-pin supply of the transformer to the main supply. Kindly ensure that the switch should be off when you are inserting the wire connector. And the other side, the output of the transformer, you should connect it directly to the PCB. So the other side of the transformer should be appropriately connected just below the rectifier connector, that means the AC connector. It will be appropriately labeled for your project. So we have connected the connector now. Now how to test that the transformer is giving appropriate voltage or not? So what you have to do is just flip the PCB. You can see this connector is having 2 LEDs, and these 2 LEDs are soldered on these 2 tracks. So these 2 points are for this connector. So we will test the supply is coming or not on this connector LEDs. So please ensure that while you are handling it, you have the AC power off. Just keep the PCB and then turn the switch on. So now I have turned the project on. What you have to do on the multimeter is you have to turn this marker towards the AC, that is on the first marker 750, because we will be measuring appropriately approximately the voltages present in your country. So the whatever voltage will be there, it will be displaying on this display. And what you have to keep in mind that while measuring the voltage, you should not short in any condition these 2 probes with each other, or these 2 LEDs also with each other, because if you short them, then it might be very catastrophic. So you have to place one of the LEDs on one end of the connector here, and the other probe on the other side of the connector, that means on this one. So as you can see on the multimeter, I am getting approximately 11 to 12 volts. So for proper functioning of the project, you should at least get 11 to 12 volts from the transformer. So this was the AC side. When the AC is working, you can now move on towards the DC supply. For that purpose, what you have to do is bring this marker towards the 20 position on the DC supply voltage. So here it's now in DC mode. You can measure up to 20 voltages. The next, you have to switch it off.